warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself, Fatija Sheikh Abdul Rahim from 9th A from Scholars English School. Our project name is Acid Rain. Acid rain is a type of precipitation which contains acidic substance such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Acid rain mostly caused in industrial areas. Acid rain caused by the release of sulfur dioxides and nitric oxides in the atmosphere which react with water and other chemical components to form an acids. My name is Sheikh Siddharth Erin. I am in 9th standard from Scholars English School. Acid rain simply means rain high in acidic content such as a high rate of hydrogen. Acid rain is a cause of concern. Its effect on forest life and lakes. To a larger extent, acid rain is a big threat to our natural environment. When we burn a fossil fuel, we release a lot of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Myself Navira Din. Myself Sheikh Rushda Mariam. Myself Khana Fiba Zahar. We are from Scholars English School. We study in standard 9th. Our model topic is solar irrigation system. Let I give you some information about it. Electricity is generated by the solar photovoltaic panels and used to operate pumps for the abstraction lifting of distribution of irrigation water. Now Rushda and Afifa give you some information about agricultural field. A solar irrigation system harnesses the power of sunlight to pump water for crops, providing a clean, sustainable, and cost-effective way to irrigate fields. Especially in remote areas with unreliable electricity, ultimately boosting crops yields and improving food security while minimizing international trade. Thank you so much.
Thank you.